Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change miles to kilometers in Garmin Connect app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is open up your Garmin Connect application and then to log in. This is going to work for both devices, Android or iOS too, so you can follow along depending what device. Now once we're inside Garmin Connect, look below and click on the More button on the bottom right hand corner of the page. From here we need to click into the gear icon, which is settings. Now once we're inside settings, we want to scroll down and click into user settings. Now under user settings we can scroll down again, and then under units we got measurement units, so we can go ahead and click on measurement units. Now from here we need to choose the metric option here. So the metric system uses units like meters, kilometers, kilograms, liters, Celsius. It's the international standard SI unit, and this is most of the world uses metric exclusively. So want to go ahead and click on metric, and now everything's going to be changed to kilograms, liters, kilometers, etc. Once you've done that, it's going to automatically save. If I scroll up, we can see my weight got changed from kilograms from pounds as well. So now when you use Garmin Connect, it's going to calculate everything in kilometers